Richards!
Wow, what an introduction po from Miss Karen, pero maraming salamat po for that. And laman akong prepare na speech kasi nga ba nung kay Robbie, I'll try to be as spontaneous as possible. So, of course, sa Anak TV Awards po, maraming salamat po for the continuous recognition. Since I started my career in the past 15 years, I think it's very essential for us public figures po to be given this kind of recognition so that it can ground us and to give us even more fuel to continue po what we have started to do. I've been very much into, of course, in spreading kindness and doing our social responsibilities po for our country with the platform that we've been given. So with this po, this is another reminder for me to keep on pursuing, keep on giving inspiration to a lot of people, especially the kids who is watching and looking at us from afar with the things that we do. Kasi hindi naman po kami nalagay dito para lang for the mere sake of magpa-cute or maging idol ng mga kabataan in terms of the way we look, but it's really more of our core values that has to be transcended towards them. And I think this award and this recognition as a Hall of Famer gives me even more due diligence to fulfill my duties po dito sa industriya kung nasan man po ako ngayon. So again, ma'am, maraming salamat to everyone, to all the awardees, congratulations. And thank you, Anak TV, for giving me this Hall of Famer. Tama si Robbie, tumatanda na po kami. But thank you so much and good morning.
Thank you and congratulations, Mr. Alden Richards.